Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make chocolate cake. If you want to learn how to make chocolate cake, keep watching this video. Don't go away. You can make this cake at home. You don't need to be a professional before you make this cake. Let's get started. First, you will need to grease your pan. You will need to grease the pan you're using. You can either use oil or butter depending on what you are using to bake the cake. After greasing the pan, then you need to dust the pan with cocoa powder or flour to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. Step 2, you need 2 cups of flour. I'm using self-rising flour. Depends on the flour you've got at home. I prefer to use self-rising flour because it's mixed with baking powder and baking soda, so it's easier for me. I don't need to worry myself about the amount of baking soda or baking powder. That's why I prefer using self-rising flour. I'm using 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You can add more to it. It all depends on how sweet you want your cake to be. But I'm using 3 tablespoons because I don't like my cake to be too sugary because of my kids. It all depends on what you... tablespoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you want, depending on how sweet you want your cake to be. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Time to add the wet ingredients. Add 2 eggs. Crack the egg open. Add it to the dry ingredients. Then add it to the dry ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 cup of milk. Add 1 cup of buttermilk. And mix all the ingredients together. Mix for like 1 minute. Mix for like 2 minutes before using the electric mixer. When the mixture is incorporated, then you can pour the mixture in the pan. Cake is ready to go into the oven. Yum yum. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also let me know what you think about this video. See you in my next video. Bye.